Hello, today I'm doing a review of this standing outdoor patio mister. I live in Chicago and during the summer can be really hot. Today it reached 98 degrees and right now it's 8 p.m. and it's still around 90 degrees outside. So if you like spending time on your patio or in your backyard, something like this can make a big difference. This is what it comes in the box. You get the tripod stand, the misting holes, the flexible misting arms, the connectors, ground stakes, and everything you need for setup. Also, what I like is that it comes with carrying bag. Once you're done using it, and if you don't want to leave it outside, you can put everything in the bag and you can put it away. I like that the height is adjustable. You can adjust the height from here and it can go up to 5 feet. Now I will add the flexible arms. It's very easy. Just you need to put it like this and then it will click. And after you put it, you can change the direction either way. I like the height is adjustable. It can go up to 5 feet. They use a easy connector. Now I will put one of the arms here. It's easy to put it, and then when it clicks, you can bend it and change the directions. And then if you want to take it out, you need to click here and then pull it out. When you install the flexible arms, you need to put the mist connectors. They also have the easy click. You just put it like this, push it, and it's done. And if you want to remove it, you need to press here the blue part and it's out. Now I'm gonna connect the mist to the garden hose, and once I'm done, it's ready to go. I just need to turn on the water. It's done. I connect the hose just to one side and then I use one of the plugs for the other side to close it out. Also, I like that the base is wide and also it comes with those ground stakes that you can attach it and then make it more stable. It's stable right now, even that I'm not using the ground stakes. Also, now from this valve, I will turn it on. It's nice. Works perfect. I think this is a great way to stay cool while enjoying the outdoors.